What's going on, guys? Just wanted to do a very random video for you today. This channel is always random, just random things like video games and me talking to the camera and other shit. But today I picked up a new keyboard. I want to start learning how to play the piano. I learned way back in the day and kind of just fell off, and now I'm back to playing it. As you can see over there, I do have a guitar as well. So trying to get back into the music aspect of things, but I wanted to do an unboxing and kind of just a first play of this. As you can see, it is already open, but it's because when I received it from UPS, it was already like broken right here. So I was a little concerned, so I opened it to make sure everything was okay. Cosmetically, it looks fine, but I just wanted to, open it to make sure. But other than that, I have not taken it out. So let's open it up very quickly, trying to make this video short. So I forgot the name of it. It's like Alesis or something like that. It's an 88 key keyboard. So let's take this out. Looks like there is a book and maybe some software and a stand to put some music on. So I'll just put that to the side for now. And here we go. So yeah, an Alesis Recital keyboard. I am really excited about this. It is good looking. So let's open it up. I'm excited to get back into this. Wow, this is a very good looking keyboard. Very simple. It ran about $200. I had an Amazon gift card, so I basically only got it for $100. It is semi-weighted keys. So let me see if it comes with a power cord. I'm assuming it does, obviously. All right, finally got the power out. Here it is. Comes in this little box, and let's get this baby plugged in. Actually, before I do that, let me check this out. Comes with this little booklet right here, and this little stand. Let's see what this stand's all about. So I guess you put the stand. I don't really understand how that works. Not sure where this goes. I'll have to read the instructions and everything. So I'll just put that there for right now. But yeah, let's get this plugged in and hear how it sounds. So it looks like on the back of the keyboard, we have a USB port, a sustain port, so that's for the foot pedals if I want to add one. We got a line in jack for speakers, a headphone jack, and then a power adapter. Plug it in here, plug it into this power outlet. Now before I start playing, let me just make sure there's nothing else in the box that I'm missing. Okay, so it looks like what was in the rest of the box was just this part. So this part is actually what goes right here, and then, oh, it kind of clips right here. Yeah, there we go. And then it comes with this little booklet that I will be reading. So it's an Alesis. I'll put a link to the actual Amazon listing for this guy, for this keyboard in the description. But yeah, let's give it a try. See what it sounds like. Let me make sure you guys can see. All right, turn it on. So there's the master volume. There we go. So it looks like you can add a reverb, electric piano, organ, synth, bass, and then split. I'm gonna learn how to use that, but I do know that you can split it in half. So some over here sound like a synth, some over here sound like a piano, whatever you want to do. So let's just give it a little try. It's been a while since I played the piano. Sounds pretty good. Wow, yeah, I'm excited about this, man. I can't even tell you. Let's see, electric piano. Organ. That's so funny. Learn bass. And there's a metronome. That's cool. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I know this was a very random video and very boring for most people, but I am excited to play this piano. And eventually, if I start learning more and more, then I might post videos and songs that I learn on the piano. But I'm just excited to get back into music because that was always a passion of mine, as well as making videos. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.